Yeah, sanibonani kanzakwethu ninjani uzani ke nisondeleke but yakhumbula ukuthi you must press like, leave a comment, watch the advert. Hayi ngeke, let's discuss episode 6 of season 8 with Uthando Nesithemba. Nah, we need to be honest and then we need to I'm sorry. I've never like kahle kahle nje abekho abafazi bamsele ngibathandayo nginandaba nabo bonke anginayo interest, but even though ngizwana noMakhumalo in real life, but let me say something. Mayeni Mayeni is angazi ukuthi wayiphilisa umsele kabuhlungu kangaka. That woman is hurting. That woman is not okay. That woman unamagqubu. That woman une-hatred nje. That woman is disrespectful. That woman does not deserve to be a wife yamseleko. That woman is revengeful. That woman akabuthanda ubuseleko. Bayila akabufuna ubuseleko. I remember at the beginning of the show, or season 1 kanje ukuthi wayidume ngokuthi uzithandela iCandy Crush ilento edlalwayo kwakuthi mangabe kukhulunywa njena vele ayihlalele efonini. She's been very consistent in the way she treats her husband work. Okay, now let's look at this episode. This episode 6. Umayeni still akekho kaMseleko. Kwaphuma kwidina wabuyela kubo. Umsele kwami wombheka endlini wangamthola. Sharp. Isho kade yashuthwa. Uma unkosikazi Ndini lo namanje akakabukeli kwaMseleko. Sesizwile ukuthi yini yamhambisa ekhaya. According to uMusa, uthi uMusa uMayeni left the other day they were discussing cars ukuthi ke akazange aye much in details. Ushuthi ekhuluma indaba zemoto. Uthi umsele kwasethi ke ayi awubuza uMakhumalo ngalo ndaba. Then ke uMayeni azange akusho ukuthi wavela wathatha imithwalo yakho wapheka wahamba waya kubo. But it's been over 6 months ehlele kubo. Come on now, honestly. Yini leyo? Uhamba kanjani uye ekhaya kwakini ushadile okuzokuphela 6 months? Yini lenga ongasakwazi ukuthi ubuke uzoyidiscussa nendoda yakho? Right, sharp. So busa ke uyacela ke kule episode ucela ukukhuluma naye. Nangempela uyafika bahlangana e-restaurant akasangisho ukuya kwakhe. Cool, mangabe ufika e-restaurant uyasho uMamusa uthi ngiyabonga ukuthi wafika kwidina wawumuhle. Ngikubizele la ke ukuthi ke sidiscuss izinto ethi oqala uyambuza uzobuya nini ekhaya. Uthi lo ayi angazi. Usethi lona ke ayilungile ake sidiscuss izinto wathi lapha kwidina sizokhuluma ngazo. Kodwa wathi ufisa ukukhuluma nazo ngami private. Yikho ke ngikubizela. Siyajika uMayeni usethi angithona wathi abahamba awusasho yini kanjalo. I kind of feel sorry for uMusa, to be honest with you. It's like he is on a tour. Uhamba uyangena kulabafazi abancane. The only mfazi njengamanje that is giving Musa peace uMacele, love it or not. uMacele omnikeza iphisi njengamanje akwazi ukuthi bayakhuluma naye uaccepte noSamke wife number 5. So we need to discuss that one. But bonke laba abanye uma ngwabe nje uziphilela impilo yakhe ngumazi nje noma udlala ama movie yini noma ithinto yakhe umayini godukile uMakhumalo udiniwe akana lo bubble kade oyena. Even though Mseleko is not concerned about uMakhumalo, but I'm concerned by his silence kaMakhumalo. Lokho kuthula kwakhe akukho right, and uMseleko is not paying much attention yena ngoba uyitshela ukuthi right uMakhumalo. Right, let's go back to Mayeni. Mayeni then tells uMseleko ukuthi hey ungenza izinto eziningi kabi ezibhlungu ngalendlela ukuthi uma ngabe singase siqale kuzomela ukuthi uhambe ekhaya uyongeza and ngibiza umndeni wami nomndeni wakho sihlaleni phansi. Hawo akanamsila akanamndeni nje uwena umndeni wakhe manje wayefuna ukuhamba kuzomela ahambe uMseleko ufuna ogogo no uyazi nje uMseleko uhleze ebika ku floor ufloor wayishonela akanamndeni uwena umndeni wakho nezingane zakhe. So manje yini yenza ukuthi ufuna ama family meeting? Guys, Mayeni is hurt. Mayeni this thing of ukuthi ayithole I find out sebesho ukuthi uMakhumalo walotsholwa kuqala than nina ayimphathi kahle ayimfuni kahle imphula umoya manje kuba ngokuthi ubani unkosikazi number 3 and it doesn't make sense nanokuthi kuzokuba ngo number 3 kanjani ngaphela kukhona abawu2 abashona kwakhona uMakasine khona la kwakhona uMasawulu khona lana. It does look like vele uMakhumalo wafika kuqala wakipita uMakhumalo yebo uyasho mayini uthi uMakhumalo wayedlala isigubhu wengadlala isigubhu nje wengashaya isigubhu nje kuphela wayesekipite nendoda yakho esejola nendoda yakhe eselala nendoda yakho wena owawungazi. So Mayeni is being hurt by that ukuthi hawu mina ngiyafika nje ngigoduke ngekhaya kanti lengane le yayisivele ikhona ilalana nomyeni wami bethulile uMasawulu because uexaphile what we call uMasawule lo munye washona ngaleyo nkathi leyo. So ke one of the things empatha kabi uMayini lezo and uyamzonda uMakhumalo ngalendlela ukuthi ihatred isiyabonakala. 2 uraise issue kuMusa uthi ingane yakhe yadliswa uMusa uthi ke ayi umnini wahamba waya kaMayeni uthi uMayeni cha akadliswa wadliswa ekhaya eMzumbe phela ekhaya eMzumbe emesho kanjalo uchaza ila kuhlala khona abanye abafazi ngoba remember akanamndeni umseleko yila hlala khona abanye abafazi. So Mayeni is accusing the family, one of the wives, of poisoning his son umnini. Uthi umlentuzane angeke ngientertain lento yakho ngoba uaccuse abantu izinto ongenayo iproof kuzona. I think yila impela sesithenjini siqala ngempela ngaphela kwethiwa abafazi ingane babolalana ingane le kuthiwa ingane le ingangeni kwalowamuzi leyamuzi ingangeni lwamuzi. Usethi uMayeni my child was poisoned and you were not there to support me. Ngani yami uthi yaphela yaqumbulimi yavuka ubomvu ubulimi labamnyama kwaphuma izinto sathi sayisakadodo sasudokotela he's being poisoned. We do not know who poisoned umnini. Nayo uMayeni akazi uyasuspecta phela ukuthi ubaphatha kafuna ukusho. Usethi according to ingxoxo yabo she did mention kumsele ukuthi ushuthi ubani odlisa ingane yakhe but obviously njengendoda umseleko wayengeke athathe lonto ahamba yo accuse mhlawumbe uMacele noma uMakhumalo noma uMangwa bathi wena uthe lo udlisa ingane yakhe ngoba yini eyakhe naye lengane umseleko and 2 abafazi bakhe laba yathathana ke manje lapho noMayeni thathana ngokuthi uthi uMayeni you did not support me. What is support? You were not there for me. What is you were not there for me? Of course lo muntu unesithembu naye akadokotela for sure wayefona buthingane kanjani but bengeke ahlale nawe full time because wena umntana wakho udlisiwe ziyagola izingane usho ukuthi zonke lengane nje azingaka zakamsela ayikho ne1 yake yagola nje. So that's what we found on this episode. Mayeni is damned to the fact ukuthi akayibone ebuyela kwamseleko and then 2 but yena umseleko ukhuluma amagama abhlungu uthi the only worst thing that I've done empilweni uMayeni ibhedayo ukuthi ngamshada ngamenza unkosikazi wakamseleko iyona into engiregrethayo but uyaregreta kodwa futhi at the same time umseleko uyabuya uyancenga uzomncenga uzothi ngicela ubuyele ekhaya and uyabona indlela akhuluma ngayo Nkosi umseleko uzaphathwe namalimi manje uyabona ukuthi the pain the pain kumseleko you could see it uyayibona uyayifeel ukuthi uku end of the road akazi ukuthi kumele enze kanjani umseleko kunabafazi abawu2 sekumele abakhe mina ngithi nje mina bekumele nje allocate uyabuilda lo muzi uyabuilda no I'll build egg thatha omunye umfazi usumthathela uSamke Sharp thatha omunye umfazi ozo replace uMayeni manje because uMayeni into engekho into efeel aphinda thatha omunye umfazi ke manje ozobe wes5 if ifuna abafazi abalinuzana because lento selokho include uMayeni nonsense inkosikazi. Anyway, if you guys want to watch the whole episode, please go to KZN first. I'm going to ngifake la kuma comment igama kahle bese niyahamba niyobuka khona ngoba asikwazi manje usifakela yonke channel bayala kwa DStv. So that's what it happened keke. That's what episode 6 was more all about. It was more Mayeni versus Mseleko and abayitholi way forward.